Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the nomenclatures of aldehydes and ketones from chapter 12 carbonate compounds and carboxylic acids. Okay, let us see the nomenclatures of aldehydes and ketones. So first, what is the functional groups of aldehydes? So aldehyde means CHO. So this is the functional group of aldehyde, and ketone functional group is C double bond. Okay, so ketone suffix is ONE and aldehydes. So aldehyde suffix is AN. So already we know that only one carbon present mean methane, two carbon mean ethane, three carbon propane, four carbon butane, five carbon pentane, six carbon hexane. At the same time, single bond present mean suffix is ane, that is alkane group. Double bond present mean suffix is ene, that is alkene group. Triple bond present mean the suffix is ine, that is alkyne group. Okay, let us see the formulae. The first formulae, formaldehyde. So formaldehyde is HCHO. So here the functional group is aldehyde group. So aldehyde means CHO. So here first we calculate number of carbon. How many carbon is present? Only one carbon is present here. One carbon is present means we write that is methane. Single bond only present, methane. So here aldehyde suffix is An. So we remove E and add An. So here this compound IUPAC name is methanol. So this compound IUPAC name is methanol. Okay. And then see the next compound, that is acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde formula CH3 CHO. So first we find which one is the functional group. So here aldehyde group, CHO is the functional group. Okay. Then after we find out how many carbon is present here. 2 carbon. So 2 carbon means ethane. So after that here single bond or double bond or triple bond is present here. Single bond only present. So this is ethane. So here CHO. So CHO means aldehyde, suffix is An. So ethanol. So acetaldehyde IUPAC name is ethanol. And next one is acrolein. So acrolein formula is CH2 double bond CH So this is acrolein. So 3 or more carbon present means we put a number. So from the last compound. So here this is the first carbon. This one is second carbon. This one is third carbon. In second carbon only double bond is present. So first you write 2 because in second carbon double bond is present. After that 1, 2, 3 carbon is present. So 3 carbon is present means that is propane. So propane is correct. But here double bond is present. So double bond is present means that is propene. So here functional group is aldehyde group. So we remove a E and add An. So this is propanol. And then next one is protonaldehyde. So protonaldehyde means 4 times of carbon is present. 1, 2, 3, 4 times of carbon. So here the functional group is aldehyde group. So here double bond is present in same term. So here single bond. So here also single bond. So carbon valency is 4. So around the carbon 3 bond or 3 hydrogen is must. Each bond represents one hydrogen atom. So here H 3 times. 3 plus 1, 4. So here carbon. Around the carbon 4 bond is must. So here 1, 2, 3 is only present. So here 1 hydrogen. And next one. So here also 1 hydrogen. That's all. So now if the number. So here you take the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon and fourth carbon. In second carbon only we have double bond. So 2. So here 4 carbon is present, so 4 means butane. So here double bond is present, so butene. So here aldehyde group is a functional group. Strike out E and add Al. So 2-butynyl. And the next one is glyceraldehyde. So glyceraldehyde formula, here OH, here CH to CH, here CHO, and then here OH. So this is glyceraldehyde formula. So how to write the IUPAC name? So first we put the number. So first carbon, second carbon, and then third carbon. So only put the number for carbon atom. So here in second carbon hydroxy group is present and third carbon also hydroxy group is present. So how to write 2, 3, 2 times hydroxy group is present, so dihydroxy. So remaining carbon 1, 2, 3 carbon, 3 carbon is propane, so dihydroxypropane. So here CHO is the functional group, so the functional group CHO means that is Al, so propanol. So 2, 3 dihydroxypropanol. And the next one benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde formula, so in the benzene structure, CHO present means that is benzaldehyde. Okay, so this group name is phenyl group. So that is prefix with position number. So this is phenyl group. So I write phenyl. And the next one is CHO. So CHO means only one time of carbon is present here. So only one time of carbon present means that is methane. So okay, here methane. So here CHO is aldehyde group. So aldehyde functional group is Al. So methanol, phenyl methanol. And the next one is acetone or dimethyl ketone. Acetone or dimethyl ketone. Okay, so ketone functional group is C double bond O. Dimethyl. Methyl means 2 times CH3 present means that is methyl. Here one CH3, here one CH3. So dimethyl ketone or another name is acetone. So now you write the IUPAC name for this compound. So now we calculate number of carbon. So number of carbon 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is present here. So here 3 carbon present means that is propane. Here the functional group is C double bond O. So C double bond O means that is ketone group. The suffix is O. We strike out E and add O. So propanone. Okay. And then see the next one, mesithyl oxide. So mesithyl oxide formula, CH3 twice, C double bond, CH, CO, CH3. So this is the formula for mesithyl chloride. So I write this equation, this formula, structural formula, I write like this, CH3, C, here also CH3, here double bond, CH, CO, CH, I write like this. So now we put the number for this compound. So this is for first carbon, for second one, third one, fourth one, and then fifth. Okay, how to write the name for this compound? So in fourth carbon, substituted group is present. So which type of substituted group is present? So 4 methyl substituted group is present here. Okay. So 4-methyl. Okay, and then what is present here? Number of carbon 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times carbon is present. So 5 times carbon present means that is pentane. So here double bond is present. So this is pentene. Double bond means ene. So pentene. So double bond is present in which carbon? Third carbon. So third pentene. At the same time, in second carbon, C double bond O is present. So how to write this one? So 2 O. This one is write like this: 4-methyl pent, 4-methyl pent. So write like this: 4-methyl pent. Then we put one hyphen and then hyphen E and then one hyphen 2O. So this is. Thank you students. That's all for nomenclatures of aldehydes and ketones.